Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIVE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Unfortunately, just a savage day. This ultimately turned out to be a gap and trap, and a gap and trap that's looking like it's going to turn out to be a pump and dump here. Now, when I say pump and dump, I don't mean that towards the company itself and they're, being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I just mean it from a price behavior standpoint, from how the price is acted, looking like this thing could very well be a pump and dump, and I'll get to that in a second. But let's first just address that gap and trap comment. So if you're new to charts, what is a gap and trap? Well, on Monday, the price closed right here. Then this morning, the price opened up there. Hence, what is known as a gap up. The opening bell rang, and this is where things got nice and cruel at the same time. Nice because, yeah, it did actually make a very nice move. But the bad part about that is, that suckered in a bunch of people, and then you had all sorts of poor souls buying up around this area of the chart. And then you can see from there, just basically straight down the rest of the day, all selling pressure. So that's the gap and trap that took place. And now it's really just a question of, is this thing going to turn into a pump and dump? Which is why this level down here is what I would consider a must-hold level at, let's see, what is that? The 65 cent mark. Why is 65 cents important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down to 65, break down below it and keep on going, what would that be doing to the price? In a very literal sense, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of. Or said another way, that would, imply that the price exploded upwards to then just go right back to where it was, which is the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, not saying that that'll occur, but that is why that area is a very, very important mark moving forward. If the price does try to snap back around and go back upwards, first key level of resistance on any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, going to be right there around 81 cents. But yeah, as of right now, the chart is looking very, very shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.